Screen recording had never previously been officially supported on iOS until iOS 11, and now Apple has made it relatively simple and straightforward to record your screen on iOS devices. So in this video, I'm going to show you how. Essentially, all you need to do is add the record button to Control Center. So open up the Settings app on your device, and then scroll down to the Control Center option. Tap on Customize Controls and then select Screen Recording from the list. This will add the recording button to Control Center. So now if you swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open up Control Center, you can see the record button at the bottom. Tap on the record button, and once the countdown is finished, your screen will start recording. And once you're done, tap on the red bar at the top of your screen to stop recording, and the video clip will be saved to your camera roll. So that's been it for this fairly quick video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.